Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 116 in Log for 5 year journey and I hope you are doing. So I'm just seeing some market. I told you that I'm gonna buy some cryptos. So basically here's some, no, I'm just doing it. So it's lagging, so I'll come back soon. So I need to do some exercise, that's why I want to make some protein shake. For that I think now I can create it. I will use some bananas, some, what it's called, I forgot. I will do that and then I'm gonna create it. So now I'm gonna create it. Please wait. I will use some no problem. So basically I'm gonna read it. So this will be better. So I'm gonna create it now and let's have a talk about that. So let me do it this way. Okay. So basically I'm gonna do, today is leg split day, I mean abs and legs day. So I'm gonna do the exercise and now I'm gonna eat it and then so basically today was a good day and this blog I can't continue this blog for much because there is no time for me to edit it because my exam is going on, and so I'm gonna cut this blog now. But I'm gonna tell that my goal is to buy some crypto so that I can invest in something and learn how to invest and this kind of stuff. And also I am building my physique. So this year goal was 100k. I hope that it will complete because I didn't even make a single dollar. That's why I'm in a suspicious way. So I don't let my confidence down. That's why I always believe that it will happen and hope that you guys are doing well. And today is also sunny day. So my protein is finally ready. It's a cute cup, so I love it. And also to sell that, I guess the main board of trading view. So basically not trading, I would like to invest because I don't have any kind of knowledge in trading. So my goal is XRP. Let me see. XRP like this one, this one. So let me see. it is $3 maybe. So it's $3. It's not visible. Okay, so it's $3 now. It's going down. Let's see the price in here. It's 300 and it's $3 fully, and market is going down. So I am going to collect $20 so that I can buy it. And let me see the Tether price. So it's like $1, and it's great for me, so that I can buy like 5 Thethers, 5 XRP and 5 Thethers. So this will be good. So if it reach out some price like this, see the graph, it's kind of good. So that's it. Hope you are doing well. My protein is completed, you can see. Now I will see some stuff to do, and then I will go for my workout. And it's now 2:27 maybe. My headphone here, Sony, so it's from Sony. And that's it. And then I will and I do. Bye.